Welcome back to 30 at 6. Regional drone enthusiasts can look forward to U.S. DroneCon coming up on April 6th at Cecil College. Here to tell us all about it is Ralph Defrangesco. Thanks
Hi,
for
Allison.
being here.
I'm excited to be here to talk about U.S. DroneCon.
Great. So what is DroneCon?
That's a good question. Let me give you the long answer.
Okay.
So my wife, Steph, and I attend a lot of security conferences,
Okay.
and we noticed that there weren't any conferences that were dedicated to drones. So we thought, hey, why don't we start one up? So we approached the college, Jim Morgan, he's a professor there, and he said, hey, that's a great idea. Why don't, let's try it. So we spoke to the administration. They said, yes, we'd like to host it this year. So that's kind of how we got our humble beginnings.
And I wanted to touch on this in the beginning, but what is your background?
Let's see. I've been in cybersecurity before it was known as cybersecurity. It was just computer security. That was years ago. I worked for some large companies, Aetna, U.S. Healthcare, GMAC Mortgage. I had my own consulting practice for a while. I worked for the government for a while. Now I work for Vanguard as a director of cybersecurity.
And you also teach cybersecurity at Cecil College.
I do. I've been there 4 years, taught a number of classes there, and I love teaching there.
Great. So why is Cecil County or Cecil College offering this program? Is there a particular interest in this area around here, or?
You know what? I think there is. I think it fits in with their cybersecurity program. So it's more in the technology side. So they were very quick to jump on it.
Cool. So what can participants look forward to? What can they expect? What types of programming will there be?
Oh, we have a lot of things. Let's see. We have a number of presenters. We have some vendors that'll be there to be selling drones and drone-related stuff. We have 3D printing, so you can come and get a drone body that's 3D printed. We have a drone competition. We have Come Fly a Drone, so we have some drones that'll be outside in the tennis court area by the gymnastic building, and you can fly a drone if you've never flown one before. We have a gentleman coming that's going to demonstrate how to fly in first-person view. So you put on a virtual reality headset and
Awesome.
you fly the drone. So a number of things like that.
And I noticed on your website that there's a section for learning about the FAA rules and regulations. So is the intended audience mostly people who are interested in using drones for their businesses or as a hobby who are just getting into it?
It's going to be mostly hobby.
Okay.
But we put the FAA thing out there because you've got to be responsible for flying these things.
Right.
If you follow the news, there's been a number of accidents where drones have
Right.
crashed either into buildings or into people. So today you can take a course in it and you can get certified. You can get a pilot's license.
Cool. So is it family friendly?
Yes, it is. There'll be a number of things for kids to do. The 3D printing, the drone competition will be for kids.
That sounds like an awesome day. So it goes from 8 to 5 on April 6th.
Yes.
And it's at Cecil College, the physical education building.
Yes.
Where can participants go to learn more?
So you can go to www.usdronecon.com. You can buy tickets right off the site. You can go to Eventbrite and look us up. You can go to Facebook and look us up.
Cool.
If you can't get tickets online because they're only available through the weekend, you can come and buy them at the door.
Oh, great. And they're only $12.
They're only $12.
Do we miss anything?
Let's see, for $12, you get a t-shirt.
Ooh.
You get a badge, which you have the option of either buying already together or putting it together yourself. So we have a number of soldering stations that'll be set up and people will be there to show you how to solder together your badge. Or you could take it home and solder it together yourself.
Very cool.
And a sticker.
Oh, a sticker. Well, that'd be a piece for itself.
That's worth itself, right?
All right. Well, I'm looking forward to it.
Great. Well, thanks for having me here.
Ralph Defrangesco telling us about U.S. DroneCon taking place at Cecil College on April 6th. Thanks so much.
Thank you.